Hi, in this Neurons for ITSM video, you will learn how to create and manage recipes and options for iPaaS. Make sure iPaaS is enabled for your tenant and required connectors are added. In Ivanti ITSM, Workato helps connect different applications and automate the work. It acts like a bridge, moving data and triggering actions automatically. Instead of manual updates, everything happens in the background. This saves time, reduces errors, and speeds up service delivery. In simple terms, Workato helps Ivanti work smarter by connecting everything together. Now let us understand iPaaS integration in ITSM. Log in to ITSM as an administrator. Select Configuration Console. Scroll down to Extend, select iPaaS Integration, and then select Projects. Here you can view and manage workflows, connections, and integration activities in one place. Let us understand the options available in this section. Here you can create projects, recipes, and connections, as well as view connection details in the database. Create recipes to synchronize data between applications or transfer data. Ensure you have the API details of the connector ready for upload when connecting applications. Select Dashboard to see overview of your integrations. It helps you monitor and manage everything in one place without going into details. Select Community Library. You can view ITSM supported apps here. Use this library to connect apps and create recipes in ITSM. Click the Custom Connectors tab to view the connectors which are functional in ITSM. Go to Tools, select Logs. Here you can view logs PA 24 hours, showing info or error types with relevant data. Select Lookup Tables. A lookup table matches values across systems, ensuring accurate data understanding and automating tasks without complex logic. When you are creating a new recipe, select New Table to add and customize the lookup table. This example table displays names, the values assigned during recipe creation. You can also edit these details. Select Environment Properties. Environmental properties store values like URLs or credentials that vary between environments, keeping integrations flexible without altering the recipe. Now let us create a recipe to automate syncing GitHub issue comments with ITSM incidents. Go to the iPaaS integration and select Projects. Click Create Project to start a new project. Enter a project name and select Create Project. Create a recipe for your project. Click the arrow next to create and select recipe. Enter a recipe name, choose a location, then click to start. Select Start Building. This recipe shows a flowchart connecting GitHub comments with incidents in Ivanti Neurons for ITSM. When a new comment is added to a GitHub issue, the system checks if it contains an incident number. If new, an incident number is generated in ITSM. If incident exists, the system searches in ITSM to locate the incident record. The workflow updates by adding the GitHub comment as a journal entry, keeping the record current. The system logs process execution for tracking and reporting. Let us try and validate this recipe. Log in to GitHub. Make sure your GitHub account is connected with recipe in ITSM and click New Issue. Enter a title and description and click Create to create an issue. In Issues tab, you can view Create Issue with Incident Number. Log in to ITSM as an administrator. Select Incident. Enter the incident number that was created in GitHub and select it. You can view the issue created in GitHub, which has logged an incident with details and synchronized in ITSM. Similarly, you can update the description for the same issue in GitHub, and the synchronization occurs in ITSM. This indicates that the recipe functions successfully. In the same way, you can create recipes to integrate various apps in ITSM. Now let us see how to import or export recipes. Go to Tools, select Recipe Lifecycle Management. To export the recipe to another tenant, select Export, click Create New Manifest. Enter name and select the source folder or recipes you wish to export, then click Next. Choose a recipe function or project, exclude test cases or tags, then select Create Manifest. You can view selected package details. To add or remove, select Edit Manifest. Finally, select Build and Export Package. To import a recipe from another tenant, go to the Import tab and select Import Package to a new folder. Select the zip folder from your local and select Target Folder drop-down to save in the required folder. To import all tags, turn on the toggle and then click Next. Now you learned to create and manage recipes in ITSM. Thank you for watching. Try it now. For more help, visit help.avanti.com.